Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to print Outlook emails without content getting cut off on the sides using the updated 2026 method. Now, this usually happens because of the page layout or scaling issues, and it is very easy to fix. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Once you have done that, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of inbox. In the inbox, you need to double click on the email which you want to basically print. After selecting the email, here you will see this print icon here on the top. When you click on the option of print, before printing, always check the print preview. Here you can see I have this print preview in the right hand side. This is going to show you exactly how your email will appear on paper. Now you can click on the option of the print options here in the right hand side. Here you will see the page setups. So in the page setups, you can basically select the layout of the page. By default, it will be set on portrait, but if you want to change the orientation of it, you can click on the option of landscape and it will come something like this. So this particular method is going to prevent the text from being cut off on the edges. Next, you can also select the option of the more option. Here you can go to the scaling, you can select the option of custom, and here you can either increase or decrease the scaling so that this particular text fit to the page. This will automatically adjust the email content so that it fits within the printable area. Now you can open margin and you can set the margin to normal or narrow. You can even custom it out. The wide margins can force the text to move outside the printable area and get cut off. So make sure that you do it. If the email contains any kind of images or the tables, you can click inside the email, press Ctrl+A and select all. Then slightly reduce the font size before printing it. So this also helps the wide content fit properly. Now currently I feel like my content is looking good when the layout is landscape. Even if I select the option of portrait, it is looking good. So now you see that every changes that you have made make your printable look more clean. You can press the print option and you can print this particular view. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.